There's just something about loading up the truck, grabbing your fly rods, and pointing the tires towards the mountains. This time we're trading in the heat of the valley for cool alpine air, pine trees, and crystal clear water. Today's adventure, an Idaho Alpine Lake, remote, stocked, and teeming with trout. But what makes this trip even better is who's along for the ride. My wife's here, rod in hand, ready to outfish me like usual, and so are my parents, including the rod father, Wayne Spicer, chasing trout, making memories like we used to back when I was a kid. Here's the top 5 reasons to fish Alpine Lakes in the summer. Ooh.
Oh, a good one.
A little bend in that rod.
Yeah.
Ooh. Number 1, beat the heat. Alpine lakes sit at higher elevations, meaning cooler temperatures even in the peak of summer. While rivers and lowland lakes warm up, these mountain gems stay crisp and fish-friendly, perfect for both trout and anglers looking to escape the swelter. What do you mean give it to me? You want me to take off your fish?
How do you feel about getting the first fish in the boat today?
It was fantastic.
Yeah. Just a onrush.
Yes.
Great fish.
Thank you.
Great fish.
I'll get the other ones in the future.
In the future. Let's get a little close up, please.
The reason I wanted Kellen to do that so he could have a look at my fly.
Oh.
There he goes.
There she goes. Okay, well, great.
Nice job, Dad.
Afraid of the camera. There we go.
Number 2, less pressure, more solitude. With tougher access comes fewer crowds. Many alpine lakes require a bit of a hike or effort to reach, making them a peaceful escape where the fish aren't as spooked and the only noise is the wind and the pines. Sometimes they're accessible by road, other times by trail, but you can be certain there will be less people than your usual fisheries in lower elevations. Number 3, native and holdover trophy fish. These lakes are often home to native cutthroat, brook trout, and rainbows. And today, we're chasing native brook trout as well as some stocked rainbows. Plus, hopefully some holdovers from regular stocking that have had a chance to grow fat and strong in cold, nutrient-rich water that hold over each year. You never know when that next cast will connect with a true backcountry bruiser.
There you go.
Doing underwater on him?
Yeah. Just make sure he's,
Yeah.
It's good.
You rip?
Can you pull him up a little bit? It's gone. Oh. He went right out.
He went through there's a little hole in the net. Yeah.
I saw him leave.
Number 4, consistent stocking equals reliable action. Many alpine lakes in Idaho are stocked annually by air or pack mule. And thanks to cooler water temps and fewer predators, survival rates are high. This makes for more consistent action, especially during the prime summer window. It's easy. Go online and look at the Fish and Game Planner in your respective state that will show you the last time that fishery has been stocked and how many fish have been stocked, as well as what kind of species are held in those fisheries. On again. Ooh. A little more tug in that drug.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Very nice, very nice. Number 5, the adventure factor. Let's face it, there's something magical about hiking into a high mountain lake with a rod on your pack, a couple buddies at your side, and no cell service in sight. It's fishing, sure, but it's also about the adventure, the alpine air, and the stories you bring home.
There we go. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Preoccupied.
It's all good. It's all good.
Oh, we got it.
Here you go, Mom.
No.
Okay. Did you make it? Yep. Oh, he gone.
On this particular day, we fished an alpine lake that was about 70 acres in size. Sometimes it can't be easy identifying where the fish are or what they're feeding on in a good-sized lake, especially one with lots of depth. So if you don't see any dry flies coming off, any insects or birds in the air to help give you some clues, chances are fish are going to be underneath. So some effective techniques we recommend. Number 1, fish an indicator with a chronomid. Chronomids imitate emerging mid-shucks from the bottom of the lake up towards the surface before they hatch. Fish love to feed on chronomids, especially rainbows, brooks, cutthroat trout. These are really effective ways to hold a chronomid a few feet underneath an indicator and just see what things are moving around searching for food, and you'll be sure to find some fish soon. And thankfully, we were. An additional technique to try and find fish in an alpine lake, especially subsurface, is to start covering ground with an intermediate sinking line or a fast or deep sink line that starts to reach your fly down to where the fish may be holding. You may have to cover some ground depending on how you're fishing, but rest assured you will find the fish. Effective flies include woolly buggers, leech patterns, small wet flies or soft hackle flies that can be stripped back to your boat. These are all effective ways to start finding fish at lower depths in the water column. Black and orange Halloween leech.
Under the boat.
And then a chronomid, but we'll see which one took the leech. Nice, leech.
There you go.
Nice. There you go. I'll take it off.
Over there on the boat, so you can mark the little imbalance.
Okay. There you go. Nice, leech. Man, days like this remind you why we chase fish in the mountains. Cool air, glassy water, a few laughs, and some surprisingly solid trout, over 30 to be exact that day, all shared with the people who mean the most to me. Doesn't get much better than that. So if you've never taken the time to explore one of Idaho's alpine lakes, summer's the time to do it. Whether you're fly fishing, spin casting, or just hiking in with a lunch and a view, these high country waters have something for everyone. Thanks for coming along with us today. If you liked the video, hit that like button, drop us a comment with your favorite alpine lake, and make sure you're subscribed for more backcountry adventures with Haunted by Waters. We've got plenty more to come. Until next time, tight lines, take care of wild places, and don't forget to bring your people with you. See you on the water.